E25-BAT thermostat assembly and installation in ENGO Smart application. The E25 series thermostat is available in two color versions, black and white. The kit includes thermostat, quick guide, mounting plate and screws, wall mounting tape, batteries, and a stand for the freestanding thermostat. The thermostat looks good on the wall with a dedicated frame, sold separately. The E25 will work perfectly with the TRV head for radiator control. The thermostat is easy to use with the ENGO Smart app. It is easy to add it to the home ZigBee network. The operation of the head is very quiet and comfortable. The battery thermostat is an ideal solution if you don't want to drill into the wall. Instead, you can stick the mounting plate with the tape included in the kit. Insert the battery into the thermostat. Attach the thermostat to the mounting plate. The thermostat starts up, displaying all icons and the software version, and then after a while the main screen appears. Optionally, you can use a dedicated frame, which is sold separately. Place it behind the thermostat. Put the thermostat on the frame and fix it on the mounting plate. The device is ready for operation. The thermostat can be added to the home ZigBee network using the ENGO Smart mobile app. Adding the thermostat to the ENGO Smart app. Links to videos explaining the process of configuring the gateway in the ENGO Smart application are available in the video description. If the EGATE-PRO gateway has been added to the ENGO Smart app, we can start adding more ZigBee devices. On the mobile device, make sure that the ENGO Smart app has access to permissions, location, Bluetooth, nearby devices. To proceed with adding a device, enable the following on your phone: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and location. Launch the ENGO Smart app. Make sure the ZigBee gateway has been added to the app. Hold down the plus and minus keys until the PA symbol appears. Then it will start counting down 180 seconds to pair the device. Enter the interface of the ZigBee gateway. Click Add Device. After finding the thermostat, click Done. Name the device, add the location of the device, and click Done. By going into the device settings, you can change the photo, name, and location. The device has been successfully installed and is visible in the application. The thermostat has been successfully installed. The globe icon appears on the screen. The device is ready to be paired with TRV radiator head or control box. You can find links to instructional videos in the video description. Quick installation, easy pairing, simply control. ENGO. Control and save simply.